how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, the main problem could be due to your sponsor not being verified. So ask your sponsor to verify their account. And the second reason could be that you are sending sponsor request quite frequently. So just stop that. And in case if you have already reached the limit, then you can just simply refund the money back to the person who has sent you and make a new account with that person. And after that, this problem can get solved. If the problem is still there, then you can just simply open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner. After that, scroll down and here select the option of support. Scroll down till the very end and here you get the option of chat. Simply click on it. Now chat with the support, tell them that you are facing this problem and just explain the whole situation, and after that they will be able to help you out, and it might take a week in order to solve this particular problem. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.